Today's video about the overhauling of the fuel oil booster pump. Close the control air valve. Switch off the hydraulic pump number 1 and number 2. Close the hydraulic pump suction valve for number 1 and number 2 pump. Close the valve port 2-1 and open the valve port 2-0 on the hydraulic block. Remove the fuel oil high pressure pipe. Loosen the inlet pipe. Disconnect all fitting connections on the booster pump. Loosen the nuts from the pressure booster studs. Lift off the hydraulic pressure booster pump from the hydraulic block. Clean thoroughly the hydraulic block and replace the O-ring. Unscrew the center plug screw with left-handed threaded and remove the small distance piece. Mount the locking device for the fuel flanger. Use the two long screw as dismantling screw in the holes of the two short screw. Carefully lift up the top cover assembly together with the fuel flanger and land it on a wooden support. Unscrew and remove the locking device for the fuel flanger. Carefully lift up the booster top cover from the fuel flanger. Mount the special tools for the hydraulic flanger and remove it from the pressure booster housing. After cleaning the hydraulic flanger and the fuel flanger, measure the diameter and record the result. Replace the sealing ring on the pressure booster housing. Overhaul and clean the throttle valve. Before fitting the new sealing rings on the top cover, heat them to 160 to 220 degrees centigrade for at least 5 minutes. Fit the sealing ring used with the fuzzing tool. Compress the sealing ring with the compression tool and leave it for 5 minutes. Reassembly the top cover and the fuel flanger. Fit the locking device of the fuel flanger. Slowly lift up the top cover and make sure that the locking device not stuck. Reassembly the hydraulic flanger into the pressure booster housing. Make sure that the hydraulic flanger is fit on the bottom. Remove the tools. Fit the new O-ring. reassembly the top cover together with the fuel flanger into the hydraulic booster pump housing. Carefully fit the top cover into the pressure booster housing to avoid the damage of the sealing ring. Check the guide pen. Remove the fuel flanger locking device. Mount the distance piece in the center hole. Mount and tighten the center plug with a left-handed thread. Before the reassembly of the hydraulic pressure booster pump, replace with new O-ring. Reassembly the fuel booster pressure pump into the hydraulic block. Fit all the connections and fittings on the fuel booster pressure pump. Tighten the nuts with the specified torque. After the overhauling completion, we have to carry out the pressure test. The pressure test to be carried out by the simulation. On the main operating panel, increase the electrical value from 0 to 13 milliampere and press the enter. Then hold the fuel oil high pressure pipe to confirm the injection process. And then after the confirmation of the injection process, press the arrow down up to 0.